Mabuhay.
Good day, ma'am. My name is Manager Labrador.
I am Rodney S. Ruslinda.
We are here to discuss about case study analysis, operation objectives of Penang Mochara.
So, Penang Mochara is a luxury hotel who caters affluent guests, which demands first-class service. Since every one of us have already read the case study, let's go directly to the evaluation of the case. First is service quality. So the hotel is maintaining an impeccable service standards to meet customers' expectations. So they are committed into anticipating guest needs and providing fast responses. With this, they make sure that their staff can do more than one job and can multitask. And this is the first issue that we have noticed, since this can lead to overwork, which increases the risk of burning out employees and will affect decreases the service quality. Next is flexibility and temporary workers. Yes, flexibility is an advantage, right? But in this case, the hotel can handle peak demand through multitasking or flexible staff and hiring temporary workers that will help to ensure the operational continuity. So, but it may spread the staff too thin, meaning sa kadaghanan nun nimo og gibuhat, wala na nun kay ma-focus sa imo attention because of pressure. And that's an issue, the second issue that we have noticed. The third one is seasonal fluctuations. So managing seasonal fluctuations is another challenge. Yes, temporary staff are being brought in to meet demand, but training them to match the hotel's service standards is not always easy, leading to operational efficiencies. So in order to solve those mentioned problems, here's our proposed solutions or changes. So we believe that they should introduce a comprehensive staff management system that includes staff rotation and wellness programs. So they should implement a rotation system to prevent staff burnout by balancing workloads and ensuring staff are not overworked. So wellness programs can help improve staff morale and maintain service quality during busy periods. And they should also ensure that temporary staff receive thorough and continuous training, enabling them to maintain the hotel's service standards during peak demand times. So why these solutions? So these solutions directly addresses the risk of employees burnout and service inconsistency, since although mag-hire silag staff, temporary staff during busy periods, so dili pa ni siya sigurado nga ang service nga ma-provide sa temporary staff is makamatch siya sa standard nga service sa hotel. So it is important nga maka-receive ang temporary staff og continuous training and thorough and continuous training, because para by the time nga i-hire na sila, since moabot na ang time kintahay nga need na sila sa company, ready na sila, then naka-equip na nila ang skills nga, like if dili man mo match, like dili siya tantong standard gyud sa hotel, at least pare-pareha man lang, like dili gyud magkalagyo pa, since naka-receive man sila training sad nga, not just training karon trabaho na ugma, like na sila advance na ilang training, tas magwat na lang sila og tawagan sila nga solutions. Then also staff rotation, since if their staff can multitask or flexible nga makabuhat og not just one job, dili na to ang idea nga hago siya paminawon, like mag-adjust pa ka sa imong new work, new environment because of during busy season. So maglisod jud ka, like dili consistent ang service nga imong hatag. And that's also an important sa ka hotel, since they are maintaining an impeccable service standards. So bali na sila standards nga i-meet gyud ang expectations sa ka tourists, sa ka guests. So that's why it's also important. So these solutions directly addresses the risk of employees burnout, right, and service inconsistency. So by improving staff well-being and providing continuous training, the hotel can maintain high quality service even during busy seasons. And that's how we can solve that problems. The problems that we have been mentioned and identified in the case study. Although they already have solutions for this problem, we have a different approach that will help them more in improving and maintaining their service quality. Thank you.
So we have here a quote that is related to the proposed solutions of the study. Your most unhappy customers are your greatest source of learning, according by Bill Gates. The case study was emphasizing the importance of customer service and understanding the customer needs. So, Bill Gates' quotes reinforce this by suggesting that even negative feedback can be a valuable tool for a positive change. So, it's a reminder that listening to customer concerns are very important for the business to be successful. So, let's go on to recommendation. First recommendation is create a rotation system. Rotation exposes employees to different tasks, departments, and responsibilities. This broadens their skills, enhance their knowledge, and prepare for future career advancement. Rotation also can improve efficiency by allowing their employees to learn new skills and processes, and leading to faster completion of tasks and improve overall performance. Second is introduce wellness initiatives. Because of high demand fluctuations, there was a possibility that it leads to employees burnout. So it is very important to create wellness program that can help your employee manage their stress, improve their physical health, and make healthier lifestyle choices. Um, to to um, to reduce absenteeism and healthcare cost, and additionally, providing initiative will help employees feel motivated and enthusiastic. The third is, provide a comprehensive training program. Through training, employees enhance their skills and knowledge. So, because of this, they will become more efficient in their work. And also, well-trained employees are more likely to provide excellent customer service and leading to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty.